Hi dear friends, I'm Manoj Dukle. Today we are going to see thermal power plant. Now in this we have to see basic layout and working of thermal power plant. Let's have a look on the basic layout of the thermal power plant. So in this there are different components that we are using in thermal power plant. So step by step we can call the name we are calling the names of the different components. So here is chimney, precipitator, coal hopper, pulverizer, then ash hopper. So this is our boiler along with combustion chamber, turbine, alternator, condenser, cooling tower, water storage and feed water pump. So these are the most essential component of the thermal power plant. Now we are using coal. So coal is the vital fuel that we are using in thermal power plant. Generally bituminous coal or brown coal is used as a fuel. The coal is stored as either as dead storage or live storage. Dead storage is generally 40 days backup coal storage, which is used when coal supply is unavailable. Live storage is used a raw coal bunker in boiler house. Whenever we required coal, we collect it from the live storage. Then the coal is mixed or supplied to the pulverizer. From coal hopper it enters into the pulverizer. In pulverizer the coal is converted into the grain form. Then air is supplied. Then this mixture is enters into the combustion chamber. In combustion chamber this mixture is burned. As this mixture is burned, the heat get produced. So the heat is enters into this boiler chamber. In boiler chamber the water tubing is present. So these are the water tube boiler. This is the construction of water tube boiler. So when these hot gases enters into this boiler chamber, as the water tubes are present inside this boiler chamber, so these hot gases makes direct contact with these hot gases. So here in boiler the hot gases are responsible. So these hot gases are responsible to heat these water tubes. After heating or because of heating of these water tubes, the water inside the tubes get heated and converted into vapor. Then this vapor, hot vapor, high pressure vapor is transferred towards the turbine. So in this turbine the vapor get expand and its velocity is get increase, and because of this high velocity the blades of turbine start rotating. As the velocity is very high, so the turbine speed is very high. They start with very high speed. As the shaft is coupled with alternator, so this alternator also start rotation and electricity get produced. After that the steam from turbine is transferred towards the condenser. In condenser the steam get condensed. So in this condenser steam get condensed means get convert into liquid. So to complete this condensation process we required cooling tower. In cooling tower, from cooling tower, cold water get enters into the turbine condenser. It absorb the heat of the vapor, hot vapor. So because of absorption of heat of the hot vapor, the vapor get condensed, convert into liquid and sent to the water storage. And the hot water, the cooling water become hot, and then this hot water get again sent back to the cooling tower. So in this way, the condenser and cooling tower works. Again, the cooling from water from cooling tower supplies to the condenser. So this process continuous. Now, by using the feed water pump, this water is again transferred to the boiler. Now the hot gases are also generated into the boiler, and these hot flue gases are transferred to the precipitator. So this is the precipitator. So from this path, these hot gases, so these flue gases are transferred to the precipitator. Then in precipitator, the hazardous element from these hot flue gases get absorbed. So only the pure vapor, pure gases are transferred toward the chimney, and from chimney they are directly oozed to the atmosphere. So in this way the thermal power plant works. I hope you all understand how it works. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Thank you.